In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions on Squarespace. Setting up subscriptions on Squarespace is a straightforward process that allows you to generate a steady income by offering recurring payments for products or services. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or you're running an online store, having the option for subscriptions can significantly benefit both you and your customers. Let's walk through the steps together. First, we'll start by visiting the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for simplicity and efficiency, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This method is not only faster, but also adds an extra layer of security to your login process. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account associated with your Squarespace site. Following this selection, Google will handle the authentication and you'll be redirected back to Squarespace, logged in and ready to go. Next, it's time to navigate to your specific website within Squarespace. Look for a section or a link that lets you select your site. This will take you to the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Once you've accessed your site's backend, locate and click on the Settings menu. Within Settings, you're going to find a plethora of options to customize and optimize your site. However, our focus today is on setting up subscriptions, so let's keep moving. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Site Availability. This is where Squarespace allows you to manage your site's visibility on the internet. You might be wondering why we're here if we're setting up subscriptions. Well, to access advanced features like subscriptions, your site needs to be published, and sometimes this requires upgrading your Squarespace plan. Squarespace offers various tiers of service, each tailored to different needs, from personal blogs to large e-commerce platforms. If your current plan doesn't support subscriptions, it's time to upgrade to publish. Clicking this will guide you through Squarespace's different plans, showcasing the features and benefits of each. Take a moment to assess which plan aligns with your needs, considering factors like budget, the scale of your operation, and specific features like subscription support. After choosing the plan that suits you best, you'll proceed to payment. Squarespace provides a secure payment gateway, ensuring your financial information is protected. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details, and upon successful completion, your account will be upgraded. And just like that, you've taken the first critical steps toward setting up subscriptions on your Squarespace site. With your site's plan upgraded, you're now equipped with the ability to turn one-time buyers into recurring customers, opening up a whole new revenue stream for your business. Remember, today's e-commerce is not just about selling, it's about building relationships. Subscriptions are a fantastic way to keep your customers engaged and committed to your brand. We've covered the initial phases of this journey together, and now you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Squarespace's subscription capabilities. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Continue to explore, customize, and optimize your site as you grow your business on Squarespace. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Squarespace offers an extensive help center and customer support to guide you through. Happy building!